So this is smart scarecrow. When cultivating in Sri Lanka, wild animal problem is a very big problem. So the basic concept of my project is protect the crops while saving the wildlife. This one can identify animals individually using multiple parameters like image detection, size of the animal, or temperature. After identifying which animal is in front of this, it's just sending, it's applying a method to chase the animal away. So there are lots of problems in farming in Sri Lanka, like human-elephant conflicts, death of humans and animals, also food getting wasted. There are lots of kinds of problems when farming in Sri Lanka. So the objective of my project is supporting Sri Lanka to overcome food crisis and food shortage. So that my project will help farmers to protect their harvest from wild animals. Also, uh, I made this to bring new technology into farmers. So this is my project design and construction. I have collected sizes of animals and temperature, and I have also collected some images of animals. So there are some issues with the present solutions that have been already made. Humans just go into the field and trying to chase the animals away, but uh, that's actually not practical. Also, there are electric fences, but the problem is they are very high in cost. Also, when electricity is not available, just animals come and damage our crops. Already there is a smart scarecrow, but the problem with that thing is it just using one method to all the animals, so some animals doesn't get scared. So we can implement my project in the field. This is adaptable, user friendly, eco friendly, and scalable. So thank you.